Okay, friends, so another day, and this time I will not be explaining how I found myself in the Dollar Tree. Just know that I did, and things were bought. Yes. So initially I went thinking I was going to get maybe some more flowers to thicken some of the arrangements up, change it up a bit, I had one in hand, and last minute I decided to put it back, so did not get the flowers. But I have been using oven what are they called? Oven, the pot holders as place mats for like my hot dishes when I'm sitting in front of the television. So I figured let me get some seasonal ones. So I got this pot holder set, this leaves, and this one that has a gather, freshly picked apples. Hi there, pumpkin patch. Leaves are falling. Autumn is calling. So two sets of pot holders that will hang on this rack for easy access. Yes. Excuse the hat. My hair is, unruly, and I didn't feel like doing much with it. And then the last minute, I'm like, okay, that's it. I got some shirts and some other things I needed, but in terms of decor, I didn't really get much. And the last minute, they had a little display area by the cashier, and I had a bunch of these fantastically cute shaped candles. They're these pumpkin candles. They got like a little blue gourd, a red gourd, and then this white and gold acorn. So finally, I'm gonna. Well, now they look like they're too short. They're too short. These are either going up there or on the mantle. Last video, I said that the harvest pick. So I'm gonna go up there. It didn't. It went one of my plants. You can see the end of the last video, one of the last videos. I want this to go up there, but stick around and see where it goes for the end of the video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.